Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You open Snapchat and go straight to the camera. Don't linger in menus. Point, compose, and tap once to capture a photo. This is the only reliable way to create a true short snap. Once done, review the preview, pinch to crop or swipe to choose filters, and make quick adjustments to lighting or orientation. Make sure you're satisfied before moving on, because the next step sets how long recipients see it. Now set the snap's duration. Tap the timer icon and pick 1 or 2 seconds for a concise short snap. This controls view time. Then add text, stickers, or a scribble, but keep elements large and legible since viewers only get a moment to see them. Once edited, press the blue Send button, pick individual contacts or an existing group, and confirm. Doing this ensures your short content lands exactly where you intend. Press Send and watch the progress indicator. Green or red icons tell you if it went through. If it fails, first check your connection and retry. Make sure mobile data or Wi-Fi is active. If snaps show pending or gray, restart Snapchat or clear cache in settings, then resend the same short snap. One key tip: if recipients report they can't view, ask them to update Snapchat. Mismatched app versions or strict privacy settings often block short snaps.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.